AI coding assistants in the terminal are blowing up right now. It feels like everyone is using them on their desktop machines and not on their phones because they don't work that well on phones, right? But what if I told you, thanks to this tweet from Levels.io, I now know how you can vibe code anywhere with just 3 tools and maybe one of these? Do you know what? Let me just show you. Now, I know a lot of you out there have home servers like a Synology, which could also be used instead of a headless server. You'll have to enable SSH firewall rules if you have it turned on, and in my opinion, I would have Claude code installed on a separate Docker container, so it's isolated from the rest of the system. But if you're interested, I can go through all that in more detail in a separate video. Right now, we're connecting over regular SSH, which is fine for desktops, but not ideal for phones since it doesn't support roaming, so moving from a Wi-Fi to a cellular connection. So to make things better, we could use Mosh, the mobile shell, which addresses these issues because it uses UDP instead of TCP for the connection, which is better for handling network interruptions. And it's also able to keep the session alive if the connection is lost and automatically reconnects. Mosh uses its own client and server to open UDP connections, so it first needs to be installed on the Hetzner server and also in Termux. Then we can update our SSH command from this to this, which works as expected. But what about Terminus? Well, Mosh is actually built in. Just edit the connection and turn on Mosh. Hope you enjoy vibe coding while your girlfriend is shopping.